Success and failure will come and go, but I think what truly stays with you is the experience that you had making a movie. Om Shanti Om was my debut film, and I remember this audition being probably one of the first times I'd ever faced the camera. So I remember it just being very going with the flow, trusting my director's instinct, trusting her, surrendering to her completely, and kind of feeling like a fish out of water numbness where everything around me was new. The camera, the lights, the hair, the makeup, all of that was new for me. So I think there was a lot going on in my mind, just absorbing, internalizing the process and taking it all in. One routine or ritual that helps me feel centered before a shoot day is throwing in a workout. I think for me, exercise and workout, even if it's 20 minutes of cardio, a good workout, a stretch, just helps me feel grounded. It helps me feel centered. It also helps me feel energized and really helps me take on a day. Before getting into character, the first thing I do is as soon as I wake up in the morning with a clear mind, before talking to anyone or addressing anything else, just reading the scene first so that that's fresh in my mind. Once you've gotten a grip of the character, I like reading the scene before and the scene after, just to give me a sense of where I am as that character on that day. I think to choose one character that I felt empowered by would be very difficult, because I feel like I've been very, very lucky and fortunate to have been offered and the opportunity to play a lot of characters that have been strong, feisty, independent women. Okay, if I had to choose one, I would choose Veronica from Cocktail. I think it allowed me to live a life and go through various experiences that probably I'm not inherently, or maybe there is a side to me that's there but not fully there. And also Piku are two characters that I found extremely empowering and liberating. In the way that female characters have evolved and in the way that they're being written today versus when I started off over a decade ago, that is what has changed. And I think that change has inspired me to bring different aspects to the various characters that I play. It's no secret that for the most part, women just being the garnish or the decoration, or just the sprinkle a little bit of comedy or sprinkle a little bit of sex appeal. I think transitioning from that to female characters today actually having a voice, actually bringing about change. I've witnessed that evolution firsthand. I've been a part of that evolution, and my personal approach has not changed. It's in the way that these roles today for women are being written that has evolved. And through these movies and characters, you're actually able to bring about change in society as well. Hand on my heart, I don't think there's been any one specific moment where I've felt like I'm bringing about change. I have people say that to me. I have directors, producers, critics say that to me, but I don't feel like there's been one defining moment, and neither do I feel like there's always so much more to do. I do feel like the leading woman in Indian cinema has come a long way. It has evolved over the decades, and I think we're in a very good place. Many, many women in many different ways have all come together, and that's why we are where we are today. Do I feel like my choices or my actions have the power to influence? Yes, I think I'm very well aware of that, and something that forms a very important part of my decision-making process. The one thing that I'm very conscious and aware of is to be honest and to be authentic. Honesty is there, authenticity is there, just be yourself. But at the same time, you also want to make it a fun experience for yourself and for the people around you. I have been very, very lucky and very fortunate to be surrounded by people who have been with me pretty much throughout my journey, right from my modeling days to the beginning of my film career, who keep me grounded, who keep it real. And again, like I said, most importantly, we have fun.